National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Pulaski County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, western Ballard County, Kentucky, northeastern Mississippi County, Missouri, east central Scott County, Missouri, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Tamston near Mounds to 6 miles northwest of Charleston, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carroll, Mounds, Barlow, Mound City, Wyatt, Olmsted, Pulaski, and Wilson City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 14 and 21. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois.